Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I'll give you PhD admission updates. I think this video will be very useful for you guys. So please watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video you will get many important information about PhD admission. Okay, so guys, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your friends. And one more important information is that I want to share with you, and that is, with low GATE score you can apply in many IITs. Okay, with low GATE score you can apply in many IITs, because sometimes you can get very good opportunity. You can get a call from such a very good institute. I think this information will be really useful and helpful. Okay, so guys, let's start. I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. Okay, so look guys, uh, in this video I will talk about IIT PhD notification for 2021 July session. Guys, with low GATE score, where you can apply. Okay, with low GATE score you can apply. Look, I think you can see this. Okay, in IIT Gandhinagar, in IIT Hyderabad, you can apply in IIT Ropar and IIT Indore, IIT Jodhpur. And look guys, with low GATE score in this top institute you can go there. Okay, so IIT Guwahati is one of the top notch IIT in our country, and you know about IIT Kanpur. It is very good IIT in our country. Okay, I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, so guys, this is all about with low GATE score opportunity. Okay, when like your GATE score in different social science subject, like less than 500. Okay, less than 500, but uh, but more than 300. Okay, so you can apply in this IIT. Okay, so guys, if your score more than 300 but less than 500, you can apply all these IIT Kanpur, IIT Guwahati. Sometimes like they can offer very good opportunity. Okay, so you should apply in these all IITs with low GATE score. Okay, because all these IIT are very good institute. Okay, so you have huge opportunity. Okay, and you should utilize this type of opportunities. And with high GATE score, if your GATE score more than 500, okay, so you can apply all top notch IIT like IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, IIT Guwahati, IIT Roorkee. So even you can apply for all new IITs, because when you apply more, so your opportunity will increase. It means that when you will apply more and more to many IITs, so you will get many opportunity. Okay, so it will increase your opportunity. I think you can uh, you can uh, get some sense from my uh, this type of words, this type of speech. Okay, now I will give you the best information, that is this. I think you can see this. Okay, so look, these are the IITs. Okay, all these are the IITs. Okay, and so last date to apply, like in IIT Hyderabad. So this is all about for PhD notification, and this is all about for humanities and social science, and other candidate also can follow this. In IIT Hyderabad you can apply up to 7th April. Okay, so application portal is already open, so you can go, you can visit this institute uh, website, and you can apply. Okay, so last date for IIT Hyderabad like 7th April 2021, and for IIT Guwahati it is a very best, one of the best in IIT in our country, best, one of the best institute in our country. So last date to apply in IIT Guwahati like 12th April. Okay, and IIT Gandhinagar 27th March 2021. So guys, this is like for IIT Gandhinagar you have very less time. You should make a research proposal or statement of purpose, so you can apply in this IIT. Okay, 27 March. Okay, and in IIT Bhubaneswar you can apply up to 20 April. Okay, so last date to apply in IIT Bhubaneswar. In IIT Delhi you can apply 24th April. Okay, so this is the last day to apply in IIT Delhi. Look, the best institute in our country according to NIRF ranking. Okay, that is 30 30 April for admission in for application in IIT Madras, and I will give you all the proofs. Okay, so that you will get the best information from my YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, I will show you every information. Okay, like, one second guys. Last date for IIT Hyderabad 7 April. Look guys, you can see this. Okay, you can see this. Okay, for liberal arts. Okay, so last date, liberal arts means humanities and social science background candidates can apply in this department. Okay, so last date 7 April, you can see this. Okay, I think you can see this. Okay, so now I will show you like for IIT Guwahati last date to apply 12th April. Okay, and now I will show you this. Okay, so we can see this admission to PhD programs for July 2021 session in IIT Guwahati. In IIT Guwahati you can see this. Okay, this is the page for IIT Guwahati, and look, application already process starts on from 16 March. Okay, and last date for application 12th April up to 5 PM. Okay, so now I'll show you, look, third IIT. Okay, like IIT Gandhinagar last date 27 March, and now I will show you the proof. Okay, so you have to visit IIT Gandhinagar and look application procedure. Okay, and important dates. Okay, so application submission deadline 27, and announcement of shortlist 5th April. Okay, so you can see this. This is the IIT IIT Gandhinagar, and look, already I have highlighted like philosophy students, like political science students, and psychology students, and sociology student can apply for PhD program in IIT Gandhinagar. Okay, so even look, history, literature and language. Okay, history and language and literature, it means that English background student you can apply in this IIT. Now I will show you IIT Bhubaneswar last date to apply 20th April 2021. Okay, now I will show you, look, this is IIT Bhubaneswar admission into PhD, and like Opening date for online application 10 March and last date to apply 20th April. Now I'll show you like IIT Delhi. Last date to apply in IIT Delhi 24th April 2021. You can visit IIT Delhi. So look, this is IIT Delhi and admission admission to doctoral program, and look, semester 1 for 2021-22. Okay, so commencement of the online application like 15 March, you can see this, and last date to apply, you can see this 24th April up to 4 p.m. And now I'll show you, look guys, IIT Madras. Okay, IIT Madras, IIT Madras, and last date for application for PhD program in IIT Madras like 30 April, okay, 2021. Now I'll give you the proof. You can see this. Okay, this is IIT Madras for July session. You can see this. Don't see this. Look, registration or online application start 2021. Okay, so last date to apply like 30 April 2021 up to 5:30 p.m. So I think this information will be really helpful. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Okay, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, because all the students like they are sending me to, like they are sending emails. Like I have got more than 250 mails. Okay guys, so really, like I'm happy to see that like different background student, like from sociology, psychology, English, and others domains candidate also, they are sending emails. Okay, so I'm very happy. I will share every information. Okay, so guys, this is all about today, and thank you, all the best. Okay, so guys, I think you should share this video with your friends, because all the students of our country from humanities and social science background, they are waiting for PhD admission video. So I am happy to share this information with you. Okay, so guys, tata bye bye from my side. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.